I'm so excited to come up with a few concepts with Playground. It is a website where you can find free images, patterns, templates, logos, cards, all sorts of different like kind of free graphic illustrations kind of thing. And a lot of the ones that I like, obviously, is going to be with flowers. I ask for watercolor flowers, and you can get any flower on there. So I actually got a daffodil and I said, make it into a tulip. And it gave me actually kind of like a fuchsia tulip, but I wanted it to be a little bit more softer. So you can customize it to your liking as well. And I love that. And I really wanted to come up with like pop-up cards. And this is the recent one that I came up with. And coming up with like the structural aspect, it's like, it's the fun part for me. I really love making cards, but I never wanted to like draw out like the little components to it. And that's why I never really came up with cards. But now that I have Playground, and I'll be linking their information for you guys, it will generate those little like illustrations for the plants. I actually had like the plants already on there, and then I prompted to say, make it hanging so that I can like add the ones on the top. And I'm gonna come up with a few more concepts for them. So I will be showing you kind of the process and what I come up with on here for you guys. Thank you so much, Golden, for sending me these. I am so excited to be working with them for a Mother's Day tutorial. So I'll be kind of showing you guys some behind the scenes on that. And I love their pieces, like from when I first discovered them a long time ago. This was actually one of my first pieces. It has little flower illustrations on them, and obviously that's why I fell in love with it. And I also have their tennis bracelet. It's very dainty, and that's what I like about all their pieces. So this is the ring that they sent me. It has like a little flower on it. It is so cute. I don't usually like wearing my engagement ring because it's just too bulky for me when I'm working with my hands, you know? So I do love the little dainty pieces. You'll be seeing me wearing these on my flower videos from now on. And this one I love because it has like a little flower stamp on there. Super cute. I'll also link a discount code for Golden below the video, so make sure you check it out. It's going to be like the perfect Mother's Day gift. And I'll be showing you guys the tutorial, obviously. I also have to work on a lot of flowers in the next couple days. I actually got a huge commission for a bulk order. I'm making peonies, tulips, hydrangeas, ranunculus, and roses. So I'm going to be working on that right now. I did wait in a really long line for this. It was so crazy. It wrapped around like the whole parking lot, and I wasn't sure if I was going to get it or not, but I ended up getting it. So I'm so excited. I did get them in all the pastel colors, and I don't know what the craze is about, but I had to get it just because everybody else is getting it. So I will be styling this with some paper flowers to make it worth my trip to Trader Joe's. Finally finished my bulk order of flowers, so to celebrate, I'm getting all dressed up and going to see the flowers at the Huntington Library. That is my happy place, so I'm excited. And was the Trader Joe's bag worth it? I actually wanted to carry like my regular purse, but I was like, who am I kidding? I love these little tote bags. So here it is. It's so cute. I have my little pin on there somewhere too. And it goes so well with my little spring dress. And I've been really into taking photos lately ever since I got the Fujifilm camera. I'm so excited to take it with me to Huntington Library and take some photos of flowers. And I did get these cute little accessories for my camera with my pink strap. All right, I think I'm ready.